Let me show you how to do this look. We always start with skincare. First, put hyaluronic acid on damp skin so it can actually absorb. Now a caffeine solution to debuff. Now a caffeine serum to depuff everything. Now we prime our face with the best primer out there. You cannot tell me otherwise. And while that absorbs, gel your brows. Now you play tic-tac-toe with your color correction because today our base is gonna be eaten. And lightly blend it out. Play another round of tic-tac-toe with your concealer. We work on the eyes first, so get this all set in your eyes. You're going to take your best white and you're going to do an awesome base over your full eye. This is going to make our colors pop. This super cute pink one is going to be perfect. And we're going to put that directly underneath our eye and work it down. And it needs to come directly here and kind of come like right over here. I'll fill that in a bit more and build up the color. Make sure it's popping, so really build it up. Now we're going to take that exact same color and build it up in the middle and kind of bring it like way above your crease. Now we're going to take a beautiful foresty green and kind of put it on the inside here and build it up onto the inner corner, just like that. You're also going to come onto this side and build it up there as well. That way it can really highlight each other. Just kind of going in circular motions and slightly and slowly building it up. That way it kind of puffs out and looks nice and blended. You're welcome. I'm going to slightly and slowly bring it over. That way it connects the two lines. We'll kind of build this out and bring it out like this. And now we're going to take a deeper tone and kind of like really accentuate kind of the area that we went into and build up a dimension there. That way it looks super cool and very delicate, but very, very beautiful. So it may not be my best work, but it's something. Let's continue because fail or not, we need to post. Definitely feeling some liquid brown eyeliner, so wish me luck because it could go really wrong. Go for our bad side first. Now I gotta do it on this side. Get this base going. We need to blend this in and then add some foundation. Maybelline Superstay is your girl. Best on the market. Make sure to use a brush to blend it in. That way you'll have much fuller coverage and your skin's just gonna look amazing. Now let's carve our face with the e.l.f. Halo Beauty Wand contour thing. It's amazing. I love it. Bring it up. That way it kind of helps hide the chin. Blend it in like padding kind of. And then at the nose, I always bring it down just like this. It does something to your nose and it's just so cute. So yeah, you're welcome. Definitely need a cool tone blush for this. This is the Morphe Apres Skii. I love it. It's super cute and it's like the perfect cool tone blush that I think will just look so perfect. So I'm going to use the cream and pat it in, and then we're going to go over with the powder as well because this blush moment's going to be full. Alrighty. It's like literally the cutest cool tone blush I've ever used in my life. It's actually one of my top favorites now, so yeah, rock Morphe. For the last round of concealer, we're going to be very specific where we put these. Just right up here. We kind of like reverse contour our face a little. Use our Huda Beauty setting powder in the pink one. If you haven't had her setting powder yet, this is definitely your sign to get it. The Sephora sale is happening this mid-April, so I would totally suggest getting this. We're going to go in with that same pink that we used for the eye and kind of curve it in here and go directly underneath as well. And really build up that pigment. That way it really just pops. Time for some light freckles. I really like this freckly pen. It's super cute, super easy to use, and just like exactly what you want. And you just gotta tap it in just the slightest bit, and then it's like the perfect little freckles that look really natural. Taking this like old sample I've had forever and filling in my brows very slightly at the front only. Now my mascara combo is the L'Oreal the base and the Fenty Hella Thick. These two together, wait till you see this. Look at the difference. Nutty, I know. Poked myself in the eyeball, so I better get these transitions done before my makeup's ruined. Anyways, let me show you the finished result after I do some touches. And this is the final look What do we think? I absolutely love it. I'm obviously going to change my pants later, but I don't need to do that for transitions just yet. So yeah, if you like the look, please go check out the transitions. I would really appreciate it. I hope you have the best day. Bye!